Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to disable Cortana from Windows 11. Click on the Start. Go to Settings. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Find Cortana. Click on the three small dots. Click on Advanced Options. Then turn off App Permission. Under the Background Apps Permission section, select Never. Restart your operating system. Thanks for watching.